Hey, back again, Radio Jonesy. Let's get to the point. Have you got people that you rely on? People who are supposed to be your friends, maybe even family, but people who you count on to be there for good times or bad times or everywhere else in between? Well, I realised a little while ago, you just got to, mate, take the bull by the horns and do everything by yourself, for yourself, and with yourself. And life becomes a lot easier. It's like the avoiding people scenario. You're sort of keeping away from everyone else's problems. You know, when people come to try to help you, they turn up and they have their own agenda or their own little problems that sort of try to bring you down. I left all that behind. Let me see if okay, I left all that behind and become like more of a solo, I don't know, individual. I do all my things, you know, like when I want to do them, when they got to be done. It has to be done today, it gets done today, and I'm there doing it. I've been doing that for a very long time, over the last number of years, and boy, has that changed the outlook on sitting back, watching the clock, waiting for someone to arrive who's going to come and assist you do something. Well, them days are long gone for me. And once you realise, you know, you just pre-plan stuff. If you need to carry heavy boxes, get yourself a trolley instead of relying on somebody else. You know, if you've got to start digging a fence or digging holes and doing stuff, man, instead of doing it all on one day, do it yourself over a few days. You know, and the job gets done. There's no one complaining. Definitely, work is fun when it's by yourself. I don't know. I'm sort of saying this because I've had people say, oh, I'll come over and help. And they're nowhere to be seen. They don't help. They don't come over. They say, you do this and I'll be there. Well, they're not there. So are they, you know, are they friends really? But I don't think they are. They're just acquaintances. But that can be in all forms of life as well. It's not just, oh, I'm coming at this with a different angle, what you probably think I'm coming at. But if people say they're going to help in a certain way, you know, they're all talk when they're around other people. They're all, if they're in a crowd, you know what it is, people are in their big crowd and look at me, let's all go over there, let's help this bloke out, blah, 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 blah. And you rely on that. Well, more fool me for relying on that. You know what? As soon as I got out of that cycle and I said, you know what, I can do this by myself, for myself, and be financially better, everything has just looked up. Everything has gone forward, and the growth in the business and the work schedule and the stuff, everything is booming now, like moving along swimmingly for that one-man show. So I'm just saying this video, in this video, I'm just saying, don't rely on people, other people. Like if you've got a brother who will be there for you every day of the week, when you put your hand up, I need help, and they're there, well, that's absolutely fantastic. You know what? I know somebody exactly like that, and yeah, we make sure everything's sorted. When we ask, or someone asks, you know, we're there. But never rely on the help of others. Think of you know, a lot of things you think you can't do, well, you can do them. And you just do it over maybe it takes a bit longer. Well, fair play, just do it. Take your time, get the job done, smile at the roses, smile at the accomplishment of what's been achieved. And when those people say, oh yeah, I was there to help, well, you definitely know they weren't, and they can say all they like, but when you just say to yourself, man, I'm getting the job done, and can I get it done? Well, I've got that job done 3 times, and the 4th time I'm on that job again, and it's going to be completed successfully, financially rewarding, and everything is fabulous. Certain people in your life stick by you, and other people are just acquaintances. So you just gotta, when you realise who's who in the zoo, you're a winner, and it's a chicken dinner, because there is nothing worse than just waiting for things to happen because other people said the assistance would be there. And however you read those words of mine, it's probably not what you think, but it is. Other people will know exactly what I'm saying. It's a bit cryptic, I know. It's a bit crazy, I know. But I just wanted to say, get out there, do your things you like to do, avoid people at the, like when you can. I sort of seem to like that sort of theme, avoiding people. I was put onto that by a YouTube colleague that had a video that went viral, and Brian, if you're watching, I hope everything's well. But let me just say, you've got the power in your hands, you've got the wisdom in your mind, you've got it all there. You've just got to put it out, whether you got to write it down on paper and plan it. I'm a bit of a numbers and a planning guy, sort of a guy. So, in saying all this, just be proud. I mean, just in saying all this, you know what? You've got it all inside you to get jobs completed, to get jobs done. And if an old bloke like me can get jobs done pretty swiftly and financially rewarding, I'm just amazed, actually, what I've achieved in this little sort of subject I'm talking about. I know this video is going very, very cryptic, but hit me up in the comments. People are waiting. If you watch the video all this way, just sing out and say hi, where you're watching from, and all that, all those good vibes, because I really do appreciate each and every one of you that are out there, and the ones who watch the replays and put comments in and put timestamps and emojis, and even I've got some wonderful members of the channel on this wonderful YouTube channel. So I appreciate each and every one of you. The power is inside you to complete your missions, whether it be building, painting, handyman. Like, there's a lot of jobs I've done, I thought, I'll pay someone to do it. You know what, now I'm old, I go, you know what, hard to get a tradie, hard to get someone, I'll have a crack at this. And we got things done. Worst thing I did the other week was get a few months back now, was getting these plumbers in. I didn't do my due diligence. I got the first ones in that said yes, we can do it at that time, and it's been a bit of a disaster in the plumbing department. But in saying that, I've done a few things myself and adjusted a few things, fixed a few things up. I should have done I should have took the whole project on myself. That's one lesson I learned. But in saying all this, see you on the next video. Leave a comment. Ciao.
Hey there, Radio J Talk listeners. I am checking in from my channel, Shawnee Grows, here in Minnesota, where I share my passion for encouraging others to grow food. Stop by for my garden discussion live streams and say Radio Jonesy sent you. I love tuning into Radio J Talk because Jonesy always brings interesting conversations and he has great vibes. Keep up the great work, Jonesy, and grow every day in every way.